Good morning, dear students. Today we will solve worksheet of Science and Technology Part 1, Chapter 9, Carbon Compounds. Question 1. Select correct option and write only the alphabet corresponding to the correct option. 1. The molecular weight of two adjacent members in homologous series of an alkane differ by dash. The options are A 16, B 20, C 14 and D 12, and the correct answer is option C 14. 2. Due to dash, vegetable oil converted into vanaspati ghee, and the options are A. Hydrogenation, B. Chlorination, C. Dehydration and D. Polymerization, and the correct answer is option A. Hydrogenation. 3. Dash is used to prepare carbon black. The options are A. Methane, B. Ethene, C. Propane and D. Butane, and the correct answer is option A. Methane. 4. The reaction of methane with chlorine in the presence of sunlight is called dash. The options are A. Pyrolysis, B. An elimination reaction, C. A substitution reaction and D. An addition reaction, and the answer is option C. A substitution reaction. 5. Ethylene has dash bond between two carbon atoms. The options are A. A single, B. A double, C. A triple, D. An ionic, and the correct answer is option B. A double bond. Question number 2. Find the odd one out. 1. Propane, methane, ethene and pentane. The odd one in this group is ethene because others are saturated hydrocarbons. 2. Methane, butane, benzene and sodium chloride. The odd one in this group is sodium chloride because others are organic compounds. 3. CH4, C2H6, C3H8 and CaCO3. The odd one in this group is CaCO3 because others are organic compounds. 4. C2H2, C3H8, C2H6 and CH4. The odd one in this group is C2H2 because others are saturated hydrocarbons. 5. C2H4, C4H10, C3H8 and CH4. The odd one in this group is C2H4 because others are saturated hydrocarbons. 6. Polyethylene, polysaccharide, polystyrene and polypropylene. The odd one in this group is polysaccharides because others are man-made polymers. Question number 3. Say true or false. 1. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are less reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. This is false statement. 2. Benzene is an aromatic compound. True statement. 3. Naphthalene burns with a yellow flame. This is a true statement. 4. When vegetable oil and tincture iodine react, the color of the iodine does not change. This is a false statement. 5. Saturated fats are healthy. Dear students, this is a false statement. Question 4. Name the following. 1. The higher homologue of hexane. Answer is a heptane. 2. The number of double bonds in benzene. Answer is 3. 3. The functional groups in ether and halogen. Ether O, halogen X, Cl, Br, I. 4. Two oxidizing compounds. Answer to this question is 1. Potassium permanganate and 2. Potassium dichromate. 5. IUPAC name of sodium acetate. The IUPAC name of sodium acetate is sodium ethanoate. Thank you students. Prepare this worksheet for the exam. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.